गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। थैंक यू आप लोगों के रेस्पॉन्सेज के लिए। एंड येस्टरडे आई हैव गॉट 2-3 क्वेश्चंस जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स ने पूछे हैं। आज आई विल बी एड्रेसिंग द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन विच आई रिसीव्ड येस्टरडे कि नोट्स कैसे बनाने हैं और याद कैसे करना है। आज आई विल टेल यू द स्ट्रैटेजी बाई मेकिंग नोट्स बाई माई सेल्फ कि मैं और कोई भी टॉपर, इफ आई गॉट सेलेक्टेड 2 times, हाउ आई यूज टू मेक नोट्स, हाउ माई अदर फ्रेंड्स जनरली दे मेक नोट्स। ठीक है, तो फॉर दिस पर्पज आई हैव टेकन वन चैप्टर इन जस्ट 1 page कि अगर आप 1 page के अंदर भी नोट्स बनाएंगे तो कैसे एक सब्जेक्ट, पूरा एक चैप्टर खत्म हो सकता है, राइट। तो हम अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए कि कैसे डायग्राम के थ्रू, कैसे सिंपल लैंग्वेज के थ्रू, कैसे केवल कीवर्ड्स के थ्रू आपको आगे बढ़ना है। ओके, मैं एक चैप्टर ले रहा हूं पॉलिटी का, इंडियन पॉलिटी का, पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम। व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम एंड प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम। पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम और प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम में भी काफी लोगों को कुछ कंफ्यूजन रहता है, क्योंकि देखो चीजें आपको तब तक समझ में नहीं आएंगी और तब तक याद नहीं होंगी जब तक या तो आप उसको शॉर्ट वे में अपनी लैंग्वेज में नहीं समझेंगे और नहीं नोट्स बनाएंगे। ठीक है, अभी हम देखते हैं विद इन फ्यू मिनट्स आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने जो नोट्स बनाए हैं एंड आई यूज टू मेक नोट्स इन द एग्जैक्ट मैनर। पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम, प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम। पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम को आई यूज टू राइट लाइक दिस, पार्लियामेंट्री, प्रेसिडेंशियल लाइक दिस। तो पार्लियामेंट्री एंड प्रेसिडेंशियल डोंट राइट फुल वर्ड्स पार्लियामेंट्री, यू शुड डेवलप योर ओन निमोनिक्स, योर ओन शॉर्ट कीवर्ड्स। व्हाई? बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव टू राइट फुल वर्ड, इट विल ओनली वेस्ट योर टाइम। वी आर जस्ट डिस्कसिंग मेकिंग नोट्स। उसके बाद parliamentary system may be available in many countries, but you have to write only 1 or 2 examples in your notes because exam में भी आपको एक या दो ही याद होने हैं। तो I have written India and UK. तो parliamentary system is available in India and UK, presidential system is available in US. उसके बाद एक लाइन आती है, नेक्स्ट लाइन, the main difference is the nature of relation between legislature and executive that is different in parliamentary system and in presidential system. तो नेचर ऑफ रिलेशन बिटवीन लेजिस्लेचर एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव, लेजिस्लेचर एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव, हियर रिलेशन इज डिफरेंट एंड बिटवीन दीज टू, लेजिस्लेचर एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव, हियर रिलेशन इज डिफरेंट। यहां पे एल एंड ई दे आर ओवरलैपिंग, इन प्रेसिडेंशियल दे आर सेपरेटेड। तो यू हैव कन्वर्टेड दिस लाइन इनटू योर डायग्राम एंड दिस वन सिंपल डायग्राम विल कंप्लीट एंटायर चैप्टर। कैसे? This legislature in India is called parliament, but the same legislature in America is called Congress. देखो, in India Congress is the name of political party, but in America Congress is the name of legislature itself. यहाँ पे भी this parliament has 2 houses, upper house, lower house. Upper house is called Rajya Sabha. तो again you don't have to write full Rajya Sabha, RS. You have to develop this habit. The sooner you develop this habit, the sooner you will realize the benefits of these. Upper house Rajya Sabha, lower house Lok Sabha. Here upper house is Senate and lower house is House of Representative. इसका मतलब ये है, now you have understood the kind of 2 houses. When there are 2 houses, this is called bicameralism, by 2 cameralism houses. यहाँ पे then this executive में in parliamentary system, this executive has many people, one prime minister, president, vice president, attorney general, many other people, and council of minister. These people, so this council of minister, around 70-80 ministers, they are member of executive also, they are member of legislature also. The group of ministers is called council of minister. यहाँ पे जो executive है, in presidential system executive में only president and secretaries. So now if you compare executive, then here executive में prime minister, president, council of minister, vice president, because this entire diagram consists of executive and these people are member of L as well as E. So you have to write in your notes shortcut L and E. Now you should be able to understand what is L, legislature, E is executive. Now we move forward. Only 7-8 points में entire chapter will be finished in your points. Number 1 is dual executive. Dual executive, यहाँ पे this is executive. तो 2 executive, prime minister is also executive, president is also executive. So when it is 2 executive, prime minister and president both are executive here, and here prime minister is little more powerful, president is relatively less powerful. बट दे आर ओनली वन एग्जीक्यूटिव, लाइक दे आर तो सबॉर्डिनेट्स, तो यहाँ पे ओनली प्रेसिडेंट इज पावरफुल एंड ओनली सिंगल एग्जीक्यूटिव. तो इफ यू कंपेयर डबल एग्जीक्यूटिव, सिंगल एग्जीक्यूटिव विद द डायग्राम, double membership, now you can see the diagram. Double membership of whom? Which people are having double membership of L as well as E? तो मैंने अभी बताया, these ministers, council of ministers, COM, council of minister are having double membership. They are member of legislature also, they are member of executive also. यहाँ पे काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर या मिनिस्टर का काउंटर पार्ट यानी एग्जीक्यूटिव का काउंटर पार्ट यहाँ पे सेक्रेटरीज है. सेक्रेटरीज आर ओनली मेंबर ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव, दे आर नॉट मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेचर. तो यहां पे सिंगल मेंबरशिप. यहां पे है थर्ड पॉइंट, मेजोरिटी पार्टी रूल. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मेजोरिटी पार्टी रूल? यहां पे इन दिस सिस्टम एनी पार्टी विच हैज मेजोरिटी, ओनली आउट ऑफ दैट दीज काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर विल बी चूजन. इन दिस सिस्टम काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर, बिकॉज दे हैव डबल मेंबरशिप, दे विल बी चूजन ओनली फ्रॉम दीज पीपल. इसका मतलब है if BJP has majority, then council of minister also will be from BJP only. इसका मतलब मेजोरिटी पार्टी विल बिकम एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑल्सो. बट यहां पे ऐसा नहीं है. यहां पे दीज पीपल आर इलेक्टेड डिफरेंटली, दे आर इलेक्टेड डिफरेंटली. इनफैक्ट ही इज इलेक्टेड डिफरेंटली एंड प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट्स देम. तो क्या क्या डिफरेंस हुए? वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन एग्जीक्यूटिव. यहां पे एग्जीक्यूटिव इज काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर, मिनिस्टर, प्राइम मिनिस्टर. यहां पे एग्जीक्यूटिव्स आर सेक्रेटरी. काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स आर इलेक्टेड but secretaries are appointed by president. Council of minister को who can remove? They can remove, लोक सभा can remove. but यहाँ पे secretaries को they cannot remove, only president can remove. तो majority party rule और यहाँ पे separately, इसका मतलब है यहाँ पे L and E both are separately elected. Most important points हैं 2, collective responsibility and dissolution of lower house. देखो कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का मतलब क्या है? हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू हुम एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? तो कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इधर देखेंगे इस डायग्राम को. कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मींस लेजिस्लेचर कैन रिमूव एग्जीक्यूटिव. कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मींस हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू हुम. एग्जीक्यूटिव is responsible to legislature. It means legislature can remove executive. But यहाँ पे no responsibility. Executive is not responsible to legislature, तो legislature cannot remove them. Simple. तो whenever responsible word will come, responsible means executive cannot do anything what it feels. Executive is responsible to legislature. If executive does anything wrong, if ministers does anything wrong, if they are not fulfilling the policy properly, if they are not having majority, then legislature can remove them. It means they are responsible. But वहां पे there is no responsibility. And dissolution of lower house. Lower house is of Lok Sabha, of legislature. तो यहाँ पे L can remove E and E can dissolve L. Both ways here. But here neither this is possible nor this is possible. Lok Sabha can remove them and they can dissolve Lok Sabha. यहाँ पे both things are not possible. House of Representative cannot remove them and they cannot dissolve House of Representative. It means this is more unstable government. When they are removing them, it means this is unstable. But they cannot remove, so it is stable. Okay. But now, if this is stable, political homogeneity. Why political homogeneity is coming into it? Now you again go back to the diagram. If majority is BJP, then out of BJP only some people will be elected. But here some other party may win and here some other party. इसका मतलब है here political homogeneity between executive and legislature may exist or may not exist. But here definitely executive will come from the same party. इसलिए यहाँ पे political homogeneity will exist to a greater extent. When political homogeneity will be there, then harmony will be there. Fusion of power. Diagram से पता लग रहा है. Diagram से पता लग रहा है. Fusion of power. यहाँ पे separation of power. और लास्ट पॉइंट है, आप ये देखिए, यहां पे ओनली सिंगल पर्सन इज एग्जीक्यूटिव बिकॉज दे आर जस्ट सेक्रेटरीज टू हिम. बट यहां पे 70-80 मिनिस्टर्स आर एग्जीक्यूटिव. इसलिए they will be widely representing different people. So their chances of being despotic is less here. Chances of being despotic is more here because here it is single person. Those students who have already taken my classes or previous classes, they can definitely understand or correlate other chapters, because right now though I just made this video only to make you aware how to make notes. If you just keep words simple, and chronology order also has to be changed. How? If you read Lakshmikant, so please compare the order what I have written here and what is written in the Lakshmikant. Because if double executive is written, so double executive and double membership, I have written deliberately double executive and double membership. I have made my notes in this manner because these two terms are looking similar, double, but they are totally different. इसी तरह if I have written, because double membership is related to ministers and double executive is related to PM and president. इसी तरह I have mentioned secretaries are expert in this diagram. If I have mentioned collective responsibility, so I have made one simple line. You will always remember collective responsibility means L can remove all council of minister. All means collective. Council of minister means executive. They will be removed. They are responsible. Executive is responsible to L. It means L can remove them. And when it can be removed, it means it is unstable. If it is unstable, it means no continuity of policy. It means if you change the order of statements which are written in the book, then you will have better picture of because sometimes in the book order of points, they are not arranged in chronological manner properly. But here, like I mentioned, I have clubbed many points together which are related to each other. Again, I have clubbed these 2 points together. In one point, L can remove E. In another point, E can dissolve L. L can remove E and E can dissolve L. So these 2 points are also similar. Both are possible here, both are not possible here. It means यहाँ पे stability is more. And when we are talking about stability means executive is stable, right? यहाँ पे I have used word may. May be existing or may not be existing. If there is no homogeneity means different parties. No homogeneity, no different parties. यहाँ पे homogeneity है तो इसका मतलब harmony. So these 2 points I have again clubbed. So please compare this pattern of writing, this clubbing of different points together. Please notice this thing and the difference in this order and the order mentioned in the book. Then you will realize that while making your notes, the entire chapter will become handy and you will revise entire chapter in just 5 minutes. Because after some time you will have to just remember one keywords. And fusion of power, now you can understand. Fusion of power, separation of power. यहाँ पे fusion of power, यहाँ पे separation of power. और last point जो था, more members in executive, because 70 ministers around, यहाँ पे only one. So we have made this video. Generally you will find the videos how to make notes. Notes should be simple, notes should be in your own language, notes should be using diagrams. I have made this video only for those guys to give practical insight how to make notes. This diagram, these 3 slides can be written in just 1 page. I had made my polity notes in hardly 70-80 pages. An entire polity was revised in 5 hours. You have to be very fast. You have to be concerned about your UPSC exam. When pre will approach, you will not be able to revise otherwise. You have to make notes. You have to be sharp. And you have to use your own keywords. Like Parliament के लिए I used PL. Council of Minister I use Council of Minister COM. L will remove. This way you will memorize properly. Please compare this with the Lakshmikant, the order, the writing pattern, the reason and the diagram. And you will definitely feel the difference in your strategy, in your preparation, in your speed of understanding and in your retention about the different topics. Okay. I wish you all the best and please send me queries if you have any doubt about any other topic, be it polity, be it economy. Okay. Chaliye. Thank you so much.